Umsebenzi wakho ukhonza indlu kaNkulunkulu. Uma umpriest awutshela ukuthi khona wrong endlini. Ngokusikhathi ukhonza uyabona ukuthi what is needed. As a priest awutshela ukuthi bamanzweni. Indlu kaNkulunkulu is your work, is part of your work. You must make sure that everything is standard excellence in the house, because that's your place of work. There must be excellence. When we understand what all of us, we are priests. Now can't be fivefold. Or only fivefold. That's aside, that's criminal. So criminal individually. But what you are a priest individually. You fivefold. That's another dimension. Individually, a priest. And you are a king. So you must understand which one to use. Let's see masifunani. Ngabafuna ukuthandazo yini? Okanye sifuna authority. Uma njengenkosi. And uma uyi-priest king, asihloniphi kodwa ukuthi inkulu kangakanani. Sihlonipha nge-authority kuyo. Asihloniphi ngokuthi gqoka kanjani inkosi. Nakanti ukwi-authority. Kanti umuntu ayiphoyisa uma lapha umisa imoto ye-traffic. Noma ngaba yisilenda. Uyayimisa horse and trade. Ayingesize engegunye. I think the size. How big is the person? Nokuthi unamalini. Uyayimisa nje imoto elayisha o-Mercedes Benz and yena ngena i-Benz. Uniform. Akathandazi ukuthi ime. Alright. He's not there to be a priest. He's there to be a king. And ngophikisa yena akanankinga ukuthi umphikisile. Ukhathi plate yakho unreported to the high authority. There is someone here who mangaba futhi disobeyile yena. Usalekwa nguye. Angazi ukuthi yini ukade ikhomanda. Yadelela wena. Sukhuma ukuthi delelile. Reporter to the captain who's in charge. Uma soyireportile. Usuka ezinye imoto wa traffic. Zile when you see position yakho because back to obey. We are reporter. Higher office. And you remain la ubeka khona. Your duty is not to let the motor exit. You stand there. Makhona edlula ngenkani just report. Sorry sir. So kind of so and so just passing. So that's fine. But say Utra is a national offense. We have opposed the government, not the individual. Who oppose it? Who oppose it? Not who oppose it. Who traffic no. Utra usisivulele umuso. Okay. Then this is we are a royal priesthood. We are the dream of the Father. Ile athi ngathi muzweni bazweni bona. Leba bazalwa yimi, ba king and the priest bazweni. Bona injani ikhomandiwe ukuthi sife. That is why umthetho uPaul Baba said on indali yashayeka. Is a king priest. Abakuthatha idalwiswe. Bazweni.
Spend this now.